In this video, we will learn how to win Temu Farmland. Follow these steps. Open the app or download it if you do not have the app already. Install the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Next, log in or create an account. Then, access the Farmland game. Go to the Farmland section in the Temu app or website. You will start with a small virtual farm. You will need to grow crops and earn rewards. Grow and harvest crops. Water your crops regularly to help them grow. Once they are fully grown, harvest them to progress in the game. Earn free water and boosts. Invite your friends to team up using referral links to get extra water. Complete daily tasks. Spin the lucky wheel and watch ads for bonuses. Reach 100% growth and keep watering your crops until they are all 100% growth. Once complete, you can claim free items or discounts as rewards. The game will be faster if you invite more friends to speed up the progress. Log in daily for extra rewards and use bonus spins or event bonuses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.